We are at the Little Building. Otis. This is from '84. This is one of the oldest series ones. This is... Oh, shit! It's got the fucking screwdriver door operator. Oh! Oh! Yo! Oh, I've never seen one of those. That's cool. Okay, that's pretty sick. So, for those of you who don't know, the screwdriver door operator is incredibly rare. And apparently this fucking sensor doesn't work too well. God damn. So look, basically this door, it works with a screw. So it's basically a big screw that turns the door shut. I've never seen one of these in person. I've only heard of them. Apparently they're incredibly rare. Wow. Whoop, just farted. I got a poo-poo. Damn, that's actually pretty cool though.